Lately, I've been thinking, we spend so much time chasing perfection. The perfect shot, perfect edit, the perfect story. But somewhere along the way, I forgot that sometimes the beauty's already there. That nature doesn't need effects, doesn't need transitions or fancy tricks. The world, it tells us its own story. And maybe that's enough. I know there are so many of us flying drones today, capturing the same mountains, the same rivers, the same skies. But even if the places are the same, the way we see them is ours. Our vision, our moment, our story. Today, I don't want to overthink it. I don't want to overwork it. I'm tired of chasing perfection. I just want to fly. Feel free to let the camera show what I see without trying to control everything. Because sometimes the simplest moments are the ones that stay with us the longest.